I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can unlock the device. You need the passcode or biometric ready. Once done, make sure there's a current backup, iCloud or a wired transfer, so you can revert if needed. Now navigate directly to Settings, then Photos, or open the Files app if the hidden item's live there. This gives you access to the controls that govern hidden album and locked notes, which is where you'll remove the lock. You'll next find the hidden content and authenticate to reveal it. In Photos, enable hidden album visibility and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Once visible, select the photo and remove it from hidden or turn off the lock. For locked notes, open the note, authenticate, then tap the lock icon to remove the password. If a third-party app hid images, go to that app settings to unlock or export files. This step explains how each. Finally, remove the lock and relocate the photos to the main library or export them so they remain accessible. Once done, restart your device and verify visibility to ensure the hidden flag is gone. If you can't remove the lock, make sure you're using the correct passcode or biometric, update the OS to the latest version, or restore from the backup you made earlier. This troubleshooting tip resolves most permission and software glitches that block removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.